Hi, welcome to Learn Smart, your one stop shop for learning new things the smart way. We are here to help you learn more effectively and efficiently. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who wants to learn something new, we have something for everyone. We believe that everyone can learn anything that they set their mind to. And we are here to help you make that happen. So, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to Learn Smart today and start learning smarter.
In this video, we're sharing a comprehensive guide on the essential do's and don'ts of travel to ensure your journey is smooth, safe, and unforgettable. Our goal is to equip you with the knowledge and insights that will make your travels enjoyable and hassle-free. So, get ready to embark on this exciting adventure with us and ensure your journeys are memorable for all the right reasons. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and let's explore the world together. Here are a few do's and don'ts to keep in mind while traveling. Do research and plan ahead. Research your destination, learn about the local customs, traditions, and attractions. Plan your itinerary in advance to make the most of your trip. Do keep important documents safe. Keep copies of important documents like passports, identification, and travel insurance in a secure place. It's also a good idea to have electronic copies stored on your phone or cloud storage. Do try local cuisine, explore the local food scene and try traditional dishes. It's a great way to immerse yourself in the local culture and flavors. Do stay safe, be aware of your surroundings, avoid risky areas, and take necessary precautions to ensure your personal safety. Use reputable transportation services and keep emergency contact numbers handy. Don't disregard local laws and regulations. Familiarize yourself with local laws and regulations and make sure to follow them. Ignorance of the law is not an excuse. Don't overpack. Avoid carrying excessive luggage, as it can be inconvenient and make you a target for theft. Pack light and bring only what you need. Don't rely solely on technology. Have physical maps, backup copies of important information, and offline resources in case of technology failures. Don't neglect travel insurance. It's essential to have travel insurance that covers medical emergencies, trip cancellations, and other unforeseen circumstances. Don't overlook its importance. Don't be afraid to ask for help. If you need assistance or have questions, don't hesitate to ask locals, hotel staff, or authorities. Most people are happy to help tourists. Please have a great travel experience and do share your experiences with us. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel Learn Smart for more such exciting videos.